morning, people. It's 6:20-ish, and we're still in Chicago. When does our flight leave?
7.
Our flight leaves at 7 for Wisconsin. And we stay there for a while, the air show in Oshkosh. And then we come back here. Wait, no. We go downtown?
We come back to Midway and then go downtown.
Midway, then downtown. Okay. So, yeah. It'll be good. Blues Brothers. We're still walking. This is gonna take a while. We need coffee.
Huh?
Find us coffee.
It's right there, but I don't...
We found coffee. It's delicious. Just kidding, I haven't had any yet. I'm sure it is. But let me try it now. Too hot. Never mind. I'm wearing a yellow Southwest shirt now for the Oshkosh flight. We're on a chartered plane with only employees. Well, the volunteers anyway for the Oshkosh. See, look at all the yellow shirt people. They're all yellow shirts like me. There's like 70 of them or something. Pretty big number.
On the left-hand side, for 1788 service to Houston.
They're boarding the A's right now. I'm with B.
3160 along the side that is close.
Yep, B54. So I'll be on in a little bit.
We're going to begin today with reorders or anybody.
Okay, we have muffins. We have muffins now and coffee, so we're good. We have breakfast. It's like 6:30. We're going to Oshkosh now.
Thank you. Have fun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's a fun beginning.
Ooh. Okay. We're here now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Here's our plane. Where's that big one? Oh. See that one behind it? Let me show you that. Look at that. That's big. Our job is going to be just greeting people onto the plane?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to be like shaking hands and stuff, pushing them onto the plane. This is the new one or something. I'm not really sure. I just got a packet. I haven't really read through it, but you know, pretty cool clouds today. This is a big event, man. It's about 8. I don't think it's really up and going yet. But yeah, this should be good. That's pretty cool looking. I want an M&M to fly me around. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know if M&Ms can fly people around at all, but I want one. Here's your Mustangs, Weston. At an air show. I'm not sure why Mustangs are at an air show. More yellow shirt people. Okay, anyway. Look at how big this is. We're gonna go visit it. I'm taking you, vlog. Or Peoples. That's your name, not vlog. Oh, it's like a museum. I'll take this shirt. Wait, what did they put in here?
Huh?
What would they have put in here?
For cargo. It just takes all kinds of stuff.
Oh.
I mean, it's developed for heavy lift.
Okay. This is good traffic. As soon as they pop out of there, they go to Southwest. We got this. This was excellent planning. Blimp. Whoop. Run out of runway. Get going there. Miniature airplanes. That's pretty cool. I want one. So I need an M&M and airplanes. Miniature ones. Oh, the M&M can ride in the miniature one. Man, I thought this all out.
Coveralls to protect his uniform from drips and drops and globs and everything that's going to come off of the airplane that he's working with. He's wearing a hat to protect his head and a nice belt of 50 caliber ammunition that he will be armoring. So obviously this crewman here, one of his responsibilities is that of the armorer.
Goodness, look at all the people. going to have to greet all of them. Okay, so I think I've kind of like overvlogged today. So I'm gonna not talk until we leave here again. I guess. I don't know. I have terrible estimation of time. Maybe I didn't do enough. I don't know. But I'll talk when we leave, then when we get in Chicago. So see ya. Okay, I lied about the not more vlogging thing.
About the what?
I said I wasn't gonna vlog anymore because I already filmed a lot, but I lied about that.
Well, you just have more to edit.
Yeah. Well, if I can edit. Helicopters and Bon Jovi. Good time. Okay. I think this is gonna be the last one at the air show. Because what are we doing in Chicago?
We're going to dinner and then maybe bowling.
We're going to dinner and then maybe bowling. Okay, so, yeah. It's a hovercraft, supposedly. It hovers, I think. And it's a craft, hence the name of the craft. Pretty cool. I want to ride it. I'd pay for that. Are they selling it? What's the advantage of a hovercraft? I never got that.
No friction.
Well, yeah, I get what it does, but I don't... Like...
Doesn't need wheels.
Okay, what do you lose by having wheels?
Smooth ride over rough terrain.
Is that it?
A lot?
Wait, would it go over water too?
Sure.
Oh, okay. So it's like a true all-terrain. I gotcha.
That's it.
Show has started. I'm trying to find my father. He likes to run away from me whenever I'm organizing stuff. Or whatever you would call that. Handing out giftings. He's in a yellow shirt. It's gonna be too hard. Nice jet stream. Where is it?
Boys and girls, on behalf of the nearly 9,000 members of the Commemorative Air Force, welcome to AirVenture 2012. We'd like to thank the Experimental Aircraft Association, the Warbirds of America, and Mr. Dave Lau for allowing us to be here participating in this show. With over 150 wings or aircraft throughout the world, 50 wings and squadrons, celebrating that period from 1939 through 1945, we of the Commemorative Air Force are proud to have the opportunity to take 230 miles to the north, lay the Imperial Japanese First Fleet, the Akagi, Kaga, Hiryu, Soryu, Shogaku, and Suikaku. The time, 7:55. The date, December 7th, 1941. And you are clear. The Mitsubishi A680, the Nakajima B5NK, and the LTD-38 dive bomber have attacked America's island base, the Pacific Theater of America's first line of defense, under Uncle Husband Kettle. Our base had been moved from the West Coast out to Pearl Harbor just the year before, so that we could take care.
you need that sound?
No, I turned it off.
Disturbance. Okay, we're on the last demonstration, right? Of the air show flip thingy. Is that called?
Yeah.
No, it's the aerobatics. Aerobatics. We're on the last one of those, and we're going to take off. Oh, that'll be good marketing. That'll be good marketing, right?
Oh, yeah.
And stop and just pull out. So we're headed back to Chicago now, and we'll get to the hotel. And it's the Westin. If you're watching this Westin, that's you. You own that. Okay, see you later. Using a terminal to Main Street. So we use that, of course. You know what they're using, right? Okay, so we're off now. We're headed somewhere, I don't know where.
Still looking really good now on both the Eames and the Kennedy. All of everything's moving well in both directions. On the outbound side of the Ike, still looking good. The inbound trip a little bit backed up. 25th to Harlem, 32 from Thorndale, 19 from Manhattan, 55 in Stevenson. No big deal.
I see you, and you are me. I see you. I see you everywhere. That sucker's me. Okay, anyway, we're in Chicago now. We have a dinner res for 10, which is a bit late in all honesty, but we got in kind of late. The dinner res was at 9, but we got in at 8:30. And my dad wants to take a shower, go figure, who wants to be clean. Just kidding, I'm taking one after dinner, but just got a text message. Our hotel looks really cool, in all honesty. The view is like awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That's, do you know what that is? That's the Sears Tower. Or it's not the Sears Tower, what is it? It's the, it's not the Sears Tower anymore. It's Hancock Tower, I believe. Like the movie Hancock? Yeah, that's cool. Note, I don't think I showed this off today. Note my, well, yeah, I did actually. But it's pretty cool. Liking it. Looks like the steak and bake. Steak and shake? I don't know, I don't go to that restaurant thing. What else? I don't know if I'm gonna film today anymore. So just in case, I'm gonna say bye here. But I'll take the camera with me and I can record on the way back. So we're going to Hugo's Frog Bar. That sounds exciting, I guess. I don't know if they serve frogs or what's up, but this should be cool. So I'm probably gonna head downstairs or something. I don't know. Okay, so bye. This is like the fanciest I've seen frog legs. Are your frog legs usually this fancy?
For what?
Frog legs usually this fancy?
Yeah.
No, they aren't. We usually just get them in like a basket.
When's the last time
I've had them like once, so I'm an expert.
Get your handle out of their frog legs.
I'm sorry. The viewers are... I'm sorry, we have frog leg all over you. It happens. Okay, bye. I feel like this is going to get stolen out of my hand. I should probably put you guys on the loop. Okay, here we go. We're going to die. We have 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Go figure. We should be dead. I should be alive right now. I should be on that TV show. Survival thing going on. Is this text in there?
You good? Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.